Hello everyone. In today's video, I want to share with you one of my favorite online tools for study, Biblehub.com. You will recognize that this is a powerful resource for preparing your sermons. So join me as we explore Biblehub.com. Whether you're a seasoned preacher or you're just starting out, Biblehub.com can be a great tool to help you dive deeper into the biblical text and develop a more refined and insightful message. Biblehub.com is a free online resource that offers a wide range of tools and resources for studying the Bible. It has Bible commentaries, and it has different Bible translations. It has dictionaries and lexicons and many more study tools. Now, I have personally found Biblehub easy to navigate. You do not have to be a computer whiz to use this website. The interface is user-friendly, and it's designed to be acceptable for all users. It doesn't matter your technological background. There is access to several Bible translations, including some of the more popular ones, such as the King James Version, the New International Version, the Revised Standard Version, the New Living Translation, the New American Standard Bible, the English Standard Bible, and many, many more. To access these Bible translations, simply click on the Bible tab and select the translation that you want to use. You can search for the Bible text using one of the drop-down dialog boxes, or you can type the Bible text into the dialog box and it will show you the results. The search function also allows you to search for any word or phrase within the Bible, and you will see the various results. The results are displayed in a list with the Bible book, the chapter, and the verse where the word that you searched for or the phrase that you searched for actually appears. The Interlinear Bible tool provides a word-for-word translation of the original Greek or Hebrew text of the Bible. With this tool, you can examine closely the original language of the Bible and gain a deeper understanding of the text. With the lexicon tool, you can do word study. You can access the original Hebrew or the Greek of the biblical passage and gain a deeper understanding of the intended meaning. Now, using the lexicon feature, you will see the word origins, you will see conjugations, and you will see other language-related material that are helpful for your study. You can also get the phonetic pronunciation, and this will help you to understand what the original word sounded like. You will see the word in its original form, and below that you will see the phonetic pronunciation of the word. And you can also see the Strong's number and the word translation. This will be helpful even if you never did a day of Greek or Hebrew in your life. This will be so helpful as you seek to study and prepare. The Concordance tool on Biblehub.com allows users to search for specific words or phrases within the Bible and see where they appear. This can be useful for developing themes or finding connections between different parts of the text. Another useful feature of Biblehub.com is the commentaries. These commentaries are written by noted scholars and theologians, and they offer invaluable insights into the historical or the cultural framework surrounding the biblical text. Now, to access these commentaries, simply click on the Comment tab and select the commentary you want to use. You can also access the commentaries by scrolling down, and you will see the Commentary tab and you can click on that tab and it will show you a list of the commentaries, and you can click on whichever commentary you want. There are some other tabs that you will see on the platform, and let me run through a few of them very quickly. The SUM tab will open up a summary of the book. So if you're studying the book of Genesis, when you click on this tab, the SUM tab, it will give you a summary of the book. The OUT tab will open up, if you're studying again the book of Genesis, it will show you an outline of the book, and this will be helpful so you can see a breakdown of the entire book. The TIM tab gives you a timeline of the dates of the main events in the book. So if you're studying again the book of Genesis, it will show you a timeline of the events in that book. The TOP tab gives you the main topics or the themes in the book. The BBB tab is the book by book feature, and it gives the book at a glance, and it also gives information regarding the author, the key events, the places, and the people, and it also gives a comparison with other books of the Bible. The PCH tab shows parallel chapters. You will see them side by side from different translations. The PSB tab shows parallel English and Hebrew or Greek study Bibles. You will see the English on one side, and you will see the Hebrew or the Greek for the New Testament. You will see that on the other side. The TSK tab is the Treasury of Scriptural Knowledge, and this is basically a comprehensive collection of cross-references from the Bible. And this is very helpful if you're studying a verse and you want to see what other verses of the Bible, where they are found, that relate to that text that you're studying or that verse that you're studying. This will be very helpful to cross-reference, and you will be able to synchronize with other text or Bible passages. There are several other tools available on Biblehub.com that can be very useful for sermon preparation. There are graphic resources with several options for slides or pictures that you can use for PowerPoints. I recently found out that any text of the Bible that you type in, you can find graphics related to that. So go ahead and check it out and see what best fits or suits your needs. Biblehub.com. There's so much that you can utilize it for. It will be very helpful. It's a free online resource that can be very helpful as you seek to study the Bible and prepare your sermons. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Biblehub.com as a sermon resource. By exploring the different translations, commentaries, concordances, and tools available, you can gain a deeper understanding of the biblical text and develop more powerful and impactful sermons. Thank you for joining me in this video. I hope you found the content informative. Please share it with your friends, family, and anyone else who might find it valuable or interesting. Also remember, please share, like, and subscribe so that you can support my channel and stay updated on future videos. If you have any suggestions for future video topics or questions that you'd like for me to address, please leave them in the comment section below. And I'm always eager to hear your thoughts and cater to those interests. May God continue to bless you as you continue to proclaim Him through preaching.